Hi, this is April from Piano Lessons Info, and today we are talking about how to easily add rhythm into your chords. So the first thing we are just talking about is counting to 4. So we're going to count to 4 to play our rhythm today. So if I just play a G chord, we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So a lot of people start with playing on the beat, every beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So that is a great place to start. If that's not what you're playing yet, I would recommend doing that. So you can play your left hand on beat 1, or when you say 1, and your right hand count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next thing you can do is to stop playing on one of those beats. So let's try taking out beat 2 and see how it sounds. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So left hand doesn't have to play at the same time as the right hand. It can just stay on beat 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then after that, why don't we try taking out beat 3 instead of beat 2? So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you try this, your left hand can play when it wants to, like mine just did, or you can just hold it on the 1 or play the whole time, whatever. Try different things so that you know what you think sounds good. All right, then you might guess what the next thing we're going to do is take away beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, what I wouldn't recommend doing is taking away beat 1, because beat 1 gives us the start, so we know how to count. We know when to tap our foot. We know that is the start. So especially starting a song, don't take out beat 1 when you're working out rhythm, especially now, I'd say. Okay, so there are a few different things to try. So what I would recommend doing is trying that with your right hand, and then try that with your left hand. So your right hand will just say stay still, but the left hand will play different things. Will play the rhythm. So we're gonna let's go to E minor now. So we're gonna take up beat 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take out beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a good way to start developing rhythm in your left hand. All right, so you can now mix and match. Try a few of the different little patterns, see what you like, and then see if you want to do some right hand and then some left hand, or play it all the same, whatever you like. So I like the sound of taking out beat 3. I also like the sound of taking out beat 4. So you could do a 3 and then 4, as in taking them out, or anything like that. But that is a good way to start going. And also consider adding some more notes to your left hand on the beat or off the beat. Something like that. Just trying to add in a few more can help you out here. Okay, so the thing to do now is experiment and try a few different chord progressions, see what you like. Just try a song that you know and see what it sounds like if you do some of these rhythmic things, to give that a try. If you need more in this area, if you really want to work on rhythm, I have a full little mini course on rhythm in terms of playing with chords. So you can go and check that out. It's part of the Piano Chords Club. So you could just take that course, practice some rhythm, get awesome, and then you will be playing lots and lots of different styles, lots of different rhythm patterns. So I hope that helps. I've tried to think of all sorts of little rhythm patterns for that one. So I will see you there. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.